You think Rwanda is in Eastern Congo causing problems. Would you mind bothering to understand why would Rwanda be in Eastern Congo fighting there? Why? You need to answer that. It will lead you maybe to some of the things you need to address and not to run away from. But to simply keep making statements, threatening, doing all kinds of things, let me tell you, we have been there. We have paid our highest price ever in our lives, this genocide. I don't think we can be made to suffer in all kinds of ways. We can do, but we will never, never, never go back to paying that similar price we paid 30 years ago. It doesn't matter how powerful anybody is. Maybe it will come to a point, if anyone insists on that, then that is maybe one way of wiping Rwanda off the map, because we will not yield an inch, never.